Are you looking for ways to get your house ready for sale and put on the market? Well, stay tuned because I have some tips that will help you make this an easy process. Putting your house on the market is a beauty contest. That's what I like to tell my sellers. And you are competing in this beauty contest against all the other houses in your area that are on the market. And you want to come in first place in this beauty contest. Let's talk about the importance of home staging and even what is home staging. When you are staging your home, when you are preparing to put your house on the market, guess what? You need to detach yourself, and it's no longer your home, and it's that home that you want every buyer to like and love. So, according to a 2018 study by the National Association of Realtors, 88% of staged homes sold faster than unstaged homes, and get this, 68% of staged homes sold for 9% more than their unstaged neighbors. 9%. That's extra money in your pocket. When you are preparing to put your house on the market, you need to get it looking in show-ready condition, which means it's no longer your home. Like, I understand it, I get it. We love to sit and read the paper on the couch and leave a whole big pile of paper by the couch. But we don't get to do that when our home is on the market. Another reason you stage is so that you are maximizing the strengths of your house and minimizing the weaknesses. If your home does not have a home office and you work on your couch often, like I do, don't leave your laptop sitting out on your couch because you are emphasizing that your house does not have a home office. If you have a beautiful back porch, covered patio, make sure that you stage that back patio with a couple of comfy chairs and a little table and some flowers so that you maximize that strength and draw people out there and show them why you might want to go outside. So maximizing the strengths and minimizing the weaknesses. One of the main purposes of staging is to show a very well cared for home. You want to make sure that buyers, when they first walk in your house, the first thing they are going to sense and feel is that this is a very well maintained home. You certainly don't want to plant any ideas that maybe there's been some deferred maintenance. Okay, so now we're going to go into some details about areas of staging. Curb appeal is the first impression that a buyer has of your home. And so curb appeal is very, very important when it comes to home staging. You should make sure that the flower beds are weed free, put in fresh mulch, add a few flowers, even if it's that you only add some flower pots up next to the front door. Look and see, do you need to power wash your house? Sometimes the paint up on the fascia boards and stuff gets dirty and we don't really think about it and notice it when we live at the house. But once you clean it, you'll see what a big difference it makes. Look at your front porch. Is it dirty? Probably. Dusty? Probably. So get out there with the light power washer, clean it all up, and then look at your front door. Do you have peeling paint? Is it warped? Is it sun faded? You need to either have it repainted, restained, because the front door is a big, big first impression. You want to make a good one. Staging the inside of your house. Remember this rule of thumb. Less is more. I promise you. When you walk through your house and you feel like it to you looks empty, you might be on the right track. And I always tell my clients, go through and take out those personal items and then go through and take out 10 more. That means the majority of your personal photos. You can leave one or two. don't leave a bunch, because you want the buyers to come through and picture themselves living in your house. You don't want them walking through and looking at the pictures and going, oh, look at the cute baby. Oh my gosh, look at those beautiful wedding pictures. Because you know what? When they leave the house, they're going to remember the cute baby pictures and beautiful wedding photos, and they're not going to remember the house. Declutter all the stuff that we use day to day. You might put it in baskets if it's something that you still really need. Think about the bathroom counters. You want them free and clear of most everything. No toothbrushes out, no soap dispensers out. If you have some stuff that you just need to have a little basket, put it inside. Hopefully it's a basket with a lid, cover it up. Another big one, valuables and medicines. All small valuables you need to put in a safe. I have clients where they've just had a basket of things and they'll take it and put it in their car when they leave for showings. Any small valuables that someone could just take and put in their pocket, you need to put them away. And let me give you a secret. Don't put them in the master closet, because that's where thieves look first. Medicine, prescription medicines. I know, I hate it that we have to worry about these kinds of things, but we do. So prescription medicines, that would be something that you should gather up, put them in one container, and either take them with you or hide them. And don't hide them in the medicine cabinet. Personal story with this. I, early on in my real estate career, was doing an open house, and I had an open house thief. And I, of course, you don't know that he's going to steal. And I even talked to him for about 15 minutes. And apparently he had a very valuable necklace in his pocket the whole time he was talking to me. Because that homeowner called me after the open house and was very upset because her very, very nice necklace was missing. So don't put your very favorite necklace in your little wooden box on your bathroom counter. Put it in your safe or take it with you. Organization. Go ahead, take the time prior to going on the market. You're moving anyway. So go through and edit those closets. Keep things off the floor of your closets. Go ahead and pack up half your clothes. If it's summertime, pack up your winter clothes. Put them somewhere else. Make sure that your furniture fits the scale of your room. You don't want to make your room look smaller than it really is by having large overstuffed furniture or too much furniture. Once again, follow this motto when you're staging your house. Less is more. I promise you it is. And hopefully your realtor has a qualified stager that will come through. It is a service that I provide all of my sellers. And they go through, if it's a house that's owner occupied, and they give my sellers a punch list of things they need to do. My stagers will also shop for them if they need to add pots, plants, maybe colorful throw pillows. And then if it's going to be a vacant home, definitely think about having it furnished. Now, for vacant homes and staging, it's recommended to have the kitchen table area staged, formal dining room, main family room, master bedroom, home office if there is one, and then nice accessories and bathrooms and some stuff like that to add color and personality. That is a service that I offer my home sellers of vacant homes, as long as it's a style that fits with the furniture that I already own and have in my staging inventory. I keep it in storage. That furniture can be used free of charge to my homeowners that are selling vacant homes. Okay, so this takes me completely out of my comfort zone, but my cameraman just challenged me to showing an unstaged home, mine, and I'm telling you, this is totally unplanned. So let me show you using this as an example. This is an area that I love in my house, and I would want it to show off and be highlighted as a feature because it has space for a large TV and lots of storage and display space. However, let's talk about some things that I would not be able to have here if I was putting my house on the market. Okay, so this stuff on the table, no coasters, center that, clean that up. This wilted plant with yellowing leaves, that need to go. And then look, too many pictures. I need to take away probably this one, and then that could go in the center. I'd need to take away this one, and maybe a little candle would go there. That would go away. That would go away. And then this picture frame, this would go, oh wait, an old pillow stuffed up here. That would go away. You know what? I actually would take away all of these photo albums, and I would probably take away maybe that. Or actually, I would put this up here and take this away because it's too dark with the dark cabinets. And then the broken seashells and the coral from a trip, look, it's shaped like a heart. That could just go up there. I might need to take down that photo up there. And then over here, that glass thing I think needs to be something brighter up there. And then I probably would take away those two pictures up there and put something generic up there and turn on that light. Take away this container with all the remotes. And then, oh, my hands are too full from all my stuff. Oh, take away the Alexa speaker. So you can see we live differently than we sell. Remember that. We live differently. I know it's painful to get out of what we normally do, but you do it when you do it well. You don't have to be on the market for very long, and then you get to go back to living how you like, and you make more money. If you like